Crypterium Value Forecast Synopsis. Crypterium, CRPT, basically is expected to for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.1169 constantly 2025, or so they by and large thought. Our Crypterium especially long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends CRPT possibly going somewhere in the range of $50.76 and $58.98, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.7067 mark, which generally is genuinely critical. The really normal extended cost for Crypterium in 2040 is supposed to for the most part be $33.72, with sort of likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $31.05 and $39, or so they in a real sense thought. With the genuinely current cost of $0.0485, Crypterium holds its ground on the lookout. Starting around 11 January 2024, Crypterium explicitly is exchanging at $0.0485 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.16% in absolute most recent 60 minutes. Exhibiting that our Crypterium extremely long-haul gauge for 2050 proposes CRPT possibly running somewhere in the range of $50.76 and $58.98, or so they essentially thought. CRPT certainly has a sort of complete market cap of $4,598,753, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $664,115, which generally is genuinely critical. This especially makes Crypterium, CRPT, truly positioning at 1183 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Crypterium cost expectation end of 2024, what will Crypterium certainly be worth in 2024 in a very large manner? Is Crypterium a for the most part wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which basically is genuinely huge? Will CRPT cost basically outperform its untouched especially high in a huge manner? These sort of are our Crypterium cost expectations for CRPT'(S) future, or so they explicitly thought. Crypterium, CRPT, value expectation 2024, as per the Crypterium figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the CRPT cost in a real sense is supposed to truly cross a kind of normal value level of $0.0702, the normal pretty least value worth of Crypterium, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to explicitly be $0.0681 in a very significant manner. Besides, CRPT can explicitly arrive at a really most extreme value level of $0.0845 in an unpretentious manner. Crypterium value estimate January 2024, the normal cost of Crypterium, CRPT, could sort of go to $0.0532 toward the finish of January 2024, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. CRPT could truly be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0.0547, with the essentially least expected cost of $0.0482 in an unobtrusive manner. Crypterium value figure February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Crypterium generally is supposed to be at around an especially least of $0.0518, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Crypterium cost can arrive at a truly limit of $0.0574 with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.0543 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Crypterium, CRPT, value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Crypterium in walk 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.0534 and $0.0596 in an exceptionally significant manner. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.0559 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. CRPT value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Crypterium is determined to basically be at around a kind of least worth of $0.0550 in a fundamentally enormous manner. The Crypterium value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.0624, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.0570 in United States dollars amazingly. Crypterium value gauge May 2024. In May 2024, the most extreme cost for Crypterium could in a real sense stretch around $0.0647. Besides, the minimum cost of CRPT in May 2024 in a real sense is $0.0567, with a typical cost of $0.0587 in an every way that really matters, huge way. CRPT value figure June 2024. The Crypterium estimate for June 2024 expects that the CRPT may generally arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.0670, with a truly least cost of around $0.0585 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the typical value CRPT can sort of stretch around $0.0605 for June, which especially is genuinely critical. Crypterium CRPT value expectation July 2024. With respect to July 2024, Crypterium cost especially is gauged to arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $0.0597, which really is genuinely huge. The CRPT cost could truly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.0694, with the really normal expected cost around $0.0617 in a very large manner. Crypterium value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Crypterium especially is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of $0.0616, which sort of is very huge. Crypterium cost can especially arrive at a really limit of $0.0719, with the for the most part normal cost of $0.0642 in United States dollars, which is genuinely huge. Crypterium value forecast September 2024. The cost of Crypterium basically is anticipated to by and large reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.0629 in September 2024 incredibly. The CRPT cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.0751, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.0655 all through 2024. Extremely further appearance how Crypterium value conjecture January 2024. The sort of normal cost of Crypterium, CRPT, could generally go to $0.0532 toward the finish of January 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. Crypterium value expectation October 2024. Crypterium cost in a real sense is supposed to all things considered reach between $0.0647 to $0.0784 in October 2024, while the truly normal cost of CRPT for the October in every way that really matters stays around $0.0668. Crypterium CRPT value forecast November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Crypterium cost is conjectured to truly arrive at a least cost of $0.0662, which basically shows that CRPT value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Crypterium most certainly is gauged to in every practical sense be at around an extremely least worth of $0.0550.